Hi, it's Frank from Mann Lake, and we're out here in the bee yard. Pollen is coming into our colonies, nectar is starting to flow, so it's time to put on a honey super. So we're just going to show you the process of putting on a queen excluder followed by a honey super. Very, very easy. So this hive has got a lot of nectar coming in, so it's time to put a super on it. So all I'm going to do is remove this lid, and I'm going to take my queen excluder, ridge side down, because we don't want our queen to get up into here. And I'm going to put this on, put the lid back on. That's all there is to it. And then we're going to monitor it as the weeks go on. If they start filling this up pretty quickly, we'll add another box or two. Depends how strong our flow is, how strong our bees are. So we'll keep watch on it. Now, the one thing I'm going to tell you as a new beekeeper, which I see a lot of people make this mistake, if you've got a brand new box with just foundation, no drawn comb, the bees are very hesitant to cross that queen excluder up into here and start drawing out wax and storing honey. So I use queen excluders all the time, except, and there's always an exception in beekeeping. You know, don't let me tell you, always do this. Exceptions to everything. This is a brand new box. I want to encourage the bees to go up here, so I'm not going to put this queen excluder on. I'm going to put my honey super on like that. That's going to let the bees go up. They're going to start drawing comb out in here, and the queen might even go up there and lay some eggs and start raising brood. Not a problem. We leave it on there until we see some drawn comb and maybe a little nectar being stored or some brood. That's fine. We come back, we open it. Yep, there's drawn comb. We're just going to pull the frame out, and we're going to go through these frames and either shake the bees, smoke them, just to make sure our queen is not up in here. So she's not here. We came back 2 weeks later. There's comb drawn. She's not in here. Okay, great. Now I'm going to take this box off. I'm going to put that queen excluder on there. And I'm going to put it back on. Now those nurse bees, if there's brood there, they have a reason to go through that queen excluder. They never leave brood, so they'll be up there. Hence, the other bees will come up to feed them and store nectar and make honey. So that's the way to draw out a brand new box. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel, watch for new videos. We're going to put up new content as the season goes on.